COVID limits have driven organizers to look outside the box with some high-tech innovations for the 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing, which will begin in February. Robotic services will be available in 9 different scenarios during the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games, including an accommodation, award presentation ceremonies, mobile vending, the delivery of goods and food items, the delivery of room services, the transport of medical equipment, providing guide and translation services, and patrol services, among others. What are the types of robots used? How do they serve the purpose? And what are the benefits? Welcome back to Robot Future. We make videos about robots, artificial intelligence, and the future, so make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around in this video. Join us as we explore the robots performing on the Winter Olympics 2022. The Winter Olympics are approaching, and substantial limitations have been imposed because of an increase in the number of new instances of COVID-19. According to Reuters, Beijing's closed-loop perimeters are locked and guarded. Intelligent robots have become vital competitors as science and technology have advanced, spreading the disease. According to Lanyu Cultural Industry Tourism Design Institute, they are the retrogrades of our era and the most effective volunteers. From 8 minutes in 2018 to today's Winter Olympics preparations, robotic volunteers have shown the world a different future. There were incredible robots in China's 8 minutes as early as the 2018 Winter Olympics closing ceremony. In just 8 minutes, the Chinese performance team not only used a variety of performance elements such as roller skating actors, ground projections, dynamic videos, and dolls, but also used 24 invisible robots for the first time to demonstrate the characteristics of ice and snow sports and Chinese culture. The finale was driven to a climax by the performance of 24 mobile robots and 24 dancers. Lanyu Culture believes that the 8-minute clip is a teaser for our upcoming technological Olympics, and that the actual performance will premiere in 2022. The Beijing Winter Olympics, the 24th Winter Olympic Games, began on February 4, 2022, with 7 significant events, 15 sub-events, and 109 minor events. The theme slogan for the Beijing Winter Olympics and Winter Paralympics was officially unveiled on the 17th of last month. Together for a shared future. It's expected that robots would perform a significant amount of epidemic prevention work during the event. They are the most critical Winter Olympic volunteers because they have a clear division of labor, are intelligent and quick, and have a clear division of labor. Identity verification and security checks are frequently necessary at the entrance to large-scale sporting events, making crowds easy to develop. To this goal, the National Stadium installed an intelligent access management system consisting of a group of intelligent security service robots linked to the background management system. The audience may complete all the procedures in 1 second, including identity registration, intelligent temperature measurement, health code, nucleic acid detection, and vaccination injection information if the ID card is scanned on the robot. The environmental killing robot can disinfect an area of up to 36 square meters in 1 minute and has a battery life of close to 5 hours. The mobile temperature measuring robot can actively find people to measure the temperature according to the prescribed route. When it finds people whose body temperature exceeds the standard, it will take the initiative to report to management personnel. The mobile temperature measuring robot can actively find people to measure the temperature according to the prescribed route. When it sees people whose body temperature exceeds the standard, it will take the initiative to report beams of UV light. The air sterilization robot uses light waves with a wavelength of 222 nanometers to disinfect effectively, and the sterilization result is quite comprehensive. The first batch of 13 robots was debugged in position and formally on duty at the National Aquatic Center on October 11th of last year. 5 cleaning robots, 5 killing robots, 1 epidemic prevention monitoring robot, and 2 guiding robots will provide cleaning, killing, and mobile temperature measurement services for the Winter Olympic sites. The cleaning robot can clean an indoor large area public area of 8,600 square meters, including the audience area, media work area, staff area, athlete area, and competition hall. According to the crew, the robot can work unsupervised in specific locations with autonomous charging and maintenance, automatic obstacle avoidance functions, and the ability to adapt to massive crowds and long-term continuous labor. Disinfection robots may disinfect these public spaces daily. The amount of the medicine box may be configured according to the features of each use space for robots that spray chemicals, and all disinfection work in the area can be done during each shift, 3 hours, without adding chemicals in the middle. Killing robots that use ultraviolet light can also perform all site work in a single change. The mobile temperature measurement and epidemic prevention supervision, reminder to wear a mask robot can be based on the service robot platform. The robot follows the prescribed route or actively searches for people, measures surrounding people's temperature in public areas, and finds people who exceed the standard. It also exchanges tips and reports to management personnel. The robot will approach anyone not wearing masks in the vicinity to remind them to do so. The follow-up, on-the-job intelligent distribution robot can adapt to complex indoor terrain such as carpets, floor tiles, and smooth stone surfaces, and has multiple functions such as indoor positioning, path planning, pedestrian and roadblock avoidance, perception of elevator congestion, and so on. Elevator door, machine, and automatic up and down elevator, the robot can load numerous products and confirm the picker's information using face recognition and QR codes, allowing multiple shipments and items to be delivered simultaneously between defined zones inside and outside the venue. Non-contact continuous temperature measurement, the size of a coin, is possible using intelligent body temperature stickers equipped with biochips and temperature sensors. The detection is precise and data can be uploaded, allowing for accurate real-time monitoring and providing a solution for Olympic sites with enormous crowds and a high number of workers. The Epidemic Prevention ELF Cyan Wing Tiny has movable public space patrol control, fire door detection, and real-time visual detection capabilities. It also offers a mass detection and early warning capabilities, thermal infrared temperature measuring, and public awareness dissemination. The blue-winged bat can quickly remind the personnel to use masks for epidemic prevention and protection throughout the inspection operation. A fully automatic sensor nozzle is also built into the head of the small blue-winged bat. When necessary, the workers can also visit the Xiaobai robot to obtain hand sanitizer, which is safe and effective in preventing epidemics. The Bai robot, an intelligent coffee machine, was also installed in the media center to provide services. ORION'S brilliant coffee maker is a collaborative robot with 2 arms. The Dabai robot is composed of 2 6-axis collective robotic arms. The left and right robotic arms may function in tandem and perform various tasks with precision. It can handle multiple coffee-making tasks, including weighing beans, taking water, adding water, and brewing. The Dabai robot can replicate the process of master-level hand-brewed coffee and display latte art like a coffee master, all while guaranteeing that each cup achieves the most significant outcomes possible. The Coffee Master, the Dabai robot, can produce a cup of mellow coffee in just 4 minutes. Coffee robots will primarily serve consumers such as the media and extended families during the Winter Olympics. While eliminating human interaction, the operation of this type of robot can also lower the risk of pandemic infection. Aside from devising tight epidemic control measures from multiple perspectives, the Chinese organizers' employment of robots can be described as relatively new. According to a report by the Italian Eurosport website, robots will provide services in many links in the Winter Olympics to prevent human touch as much as possible. Some robots are still built in Italy, and they will all play a role in the Beijing Winter Olympics disease prevention and control. The robots in the kitchen at the Beijing Winter Olympics weren't simply delivering food, they were also real chefs preparing dishes, burgers, ice cream, and even coffee and cocktails. China will exhibit an extraordinary Olympics this year with a combination of science, technology, and sporting events. In terms of live transmission, it has been confirmed that a 360-degree VR technology will be deployed, capable of capturing 3D data of the entire region for 360-degree playback. VSS, or Venue Simulation Service, is another incredible immersive technology that will transport you to the Winter Olympics. It is based on the creation of 3D digital twins. It combines data from the Internet of Things with data from the actual world. This means that venue operators will have access to an intelligent management system that will allow them to create a track, camera, and audience seat simulations using 3D digital twin models and cloud rendering. As a result, venue operators have very accurate information and know what's going on to manage the venue efficiently. Finally, there are the high-tech Winter Olympic uniforms. The built-in band-aid and thermometer continuously monitor an athlete's body temperature, assisting China's epidemic prevention efforts during the Winter Olympics. In addition, game officials will be outfitted with smartwatches that will track down participants and check their physical states to ensure their safety. So as you can see, we can expect this year's Winter Olympics to be more exciting than ever before, even in these unprecedented times. This Winter Olympics will be a fantastic event bringing together humanity in the spirit of fair and peaceful competition. That's it for today's video. Let us know in the comment section how you feel about the overall technologies and the robots involved in the Winter Olympics 2022. Make sure to like and share this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos regarding robots, artificial intelligence, etc.